A Edag é uma das maiores firmas independentes de engenharia automotiva do mundo, com forte atuação no desenvolvimento de veículos e sistemas de produção. Com sede na Alemanha, a Edag atende aos principais fabricantes de veículos e sistemas automotivos. Faturou 570 milhões de euros em 2009 e tem 5.700 empregados em 30 escritórios, incluído o endereço brasileiro em São Bernardo do Campo, onde já está há 18 anos. Jörg Olsen é presidente mundial da Edag e veio visitar o Congresso SAE Brasil deste ano. Nós vamos conversar com ele em inglês. Mr. Olsen, welcome to Brazil. As an automotive engineering provider, how do you see the Brazilian vehicle development?
For us, the vehicle development in Brazil is very interesting because of the sales of cars were increasing very much in Brazil. So many people want to be mobile also in Brazil, and there, from our point of view, are many possibilities in the localization of cars here in Brazil, and also in cars who are especially developed for the Brazilian market.
Brazil is only a great automotive market, or also a great power in global production scenario?
No, it's also in power in global production scenarios because we have an interesting cost scenario here in Brazil. You can export from here in different interesting regions, and therefore it's also an interesting market for global production solutions. Yeah.
And how much Brazil is an opportunity for an engineering company like Edag? How important today is the Brazilian office at São Bernardo?
The Brazilian office, especially the main office here in Sao Paulo, is very important to be close to many of our customers. But we are normally in our philosophy very open to open also project offices as close as possible to our customers. And therefore our main activities we managed here by the subsidiary in Sao Paulo, and then going for different projects also around to go as close as possible to the customer.
How many clients Edag has in Brazil?
We have approximately 15 to 20 clients in Brazil.
Edag supplies engineering services for products and production systems. Which kind of projects are Edag developing in Brazil? It's more product or production oriented?
Yeah, the main focus when we're looking at the cross performance is product oriented. So there are many facelift programs or programs who are especially developed for the Brazilian market, so we are strongly focused on product-oriented, on model and prototype build here in Brazil.
Brazil doesn't have many global cars. Most of development here is for the local market and Mercosur countries. Even like this, what part of Brazilian automotive engineering can be sold around the world?
Oh, there are some global products. When you look at the VW Vox as an example, it's also exporting to Germany as a global product, it's a low-cost vehicle, as an entry vehicle for the smaller segments of cars. And so therefore I think there are some interesting possibilities also for global products coming from Brazil because the requirements here in Brazil are more or less comparable to many BRIC states now, and therefore there are some possibilities also for global products. Yeah.
Which are the main trends to guide automotive development nowadays?
Yeah, different trends in different regions we have to divide a little bit, but main trends are to be more cost efficient, not only in buying a car, it's also during the life cycle, fuel consumption, and therefore all the issues around lightweight design and all these things will be also interesting for Brazil because the cost is a main key figure that is more or less pushing the industry very hard to reduce this, and that was the main issues, and all the secondary issues in powertrains like electric drivetrains and all these things are pushing this industry very hard. Yeah.
Do you think sustainable issues are guiding the industry right now?
Yeah, definitely regarding carbon emissions, CO2 emission reduction, and in general to reduce energy consumptions on cars, and we have to find a solution for this because let's have a look in the worldwide production. We are discussing in 5 or 6 years about 90 million cars, and therefore we have to look for some sustainable solutions worldwide. Yeah.
Mr. Olsen, thank you very much for your interview to Automotive Business TV.
Thank you very much. Thank you.